31 days to get organized challenges. And I guess you've already twigged to what it's all about today. It's about desk drawers. Now here's what I want you to do. I want you to tackle at least one, possibly two, desk drawers. I want you to open them and lift everything out. Now chances are you know a lot of what's in the drawer, but chances also are, hey, what's this little guy hiding right up in the back corner? Put things away where they belong if there are items that don't belong in your desk. Get rid of the things you don't need and really reorganize this space so that you have at least one desk drawer that works for you. And you can see that in 10 minutes you can conquer this space, which shows you that with a little bit of effort and time and focus, you can get your whole home office organized. Let's see how you do, and let's hear the weirdest thing that you found in your desk drawer.